Hello friend, today we have another question and it is very important one. Let's try to understand the question first, then I will do the dry run. After that I will write the code in GFG platform. Okay. The question says that union of arrays with duplicates means we have to find the unions of two arrays. Suppose you are given two arrays A and B. Return the return the union of both the arrays in any order. Means we have to return the union of two arrays. Means the union of two arrays is a collection of all distinct elements present in either of the arrays means present in I means either present in first array or second array. We have to return it. If an element appears more than once in one or both arrays, it should be included only once in the result. Means suppose here duplicates array is present, so we have to include only once. Okay. Note that elements of A and B are not necessarily distinct. Note that you can return the union in any order, but the driver code will print the result in sorted order only. Means we have to return the union in any order, but the driver or compiler will print in sorted order. Okay. Now it says that hmm, yeah, okay, hmm, hmm, yeah, just hmm, hmm, yeah. Here two array is given. First one is A equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. B array is 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2. So resultant array is 1, 2, 3 because 1 is present here, 2, 2 is present and 3 is present also. Here 1 is not present, it's fine. 2 is present here and then 3. So the union of A and B are 1, 2, 3. So how we can find out the union of arrays with duplicates? Okay, suppose suppose we can store all the value of A mm, in any data structure like HashSet, and here we also store the all the values in HashSet. Okay, then we will then we again iterate the first array. We will check if 1 is present. Okay, then include in answer. 2 is present has set, yes, include the answer and remove from the has set. 3, yes, it is present, include the answer. And then in next, and again I will go to the second array and check 3 is present, no. 2 is present, no. So we got 1, 2, 3. In this way we can write the code. So what's the time complexity? The time complexity of for first loop it will go big of n plus second big of n. So big of n, the time complexity become hmm, uh, this loop. So for just like here had set, we take integer set equal to new had set. Then I will start for in. I will take for loop I less than a thought length, then I plus plus. Then I will check, yeah, set dot contains a of I. Then if yes, then continue. If not, then add into the set. Set dot add a of I. For second, I will add for int I equal to 0, I is less than b dot length, then I plus plus. Check if set dot content p of I. If yes, then continue. If yes, then continue. Otherwise, add into the set. And we are fine. Then I will create one array list. Integer answer to new array list. Then again I will check for int I equal to 0, I is less than a dot length, then I plus plus. If set dot contain then a of I, then add into the answer dot add a of I, and then remove set dot remove a of I. Okay. Then again for b I will check for int I equal to 0, I is less than b dot length, then I plus plus. I will check if set dot contain b of I, then answer dot add b of I, and remove set dot remove b of I. Yes, so return answer. So if we discuss about the time complexity, here it is taking as big O of n. Suppose length of A is n. Here it is taking as big O of n. So time complexity is, we can write like this. Then here also. So overall time complexity big O of m plus n. Time complexity is big O of n plus n. We can write like that. Now I am going to write the code on compiler. Here you can check. Plus n auxiliary space. So wait a minute, I am writing the code here and check all the test case is passed by my code or not. Suppose has set integer set equal to new has set, then for int I equal to 0, I is less than dot length plus plus, then I will check set dot contains set dot contains a of I. If yes, then continue. Otherwise, set dot contains and a set dot add a of I. Hmm. Same for B. I will write for int I equal to 0, I is less than b dot length and I plus plus. Then I will check if set dot contains b of I. Then continue. Otherwise, set dot add b of I. Then I will create array list of integer answer equal to new array list. Hmm. Then I will start from a for int I equal to 0, I is less than a dot length and I plus plus. Check if set dot contains a of I. If it is present, then add into the answer. Set dot add a of I and set dot move a of I. Okay. Then check for B for int I equal to 0, I is less than b dot length and I plus plus. Check if set dot contain if set dot contains b of I, then add into the answer dot add b of I, remove and set dot remove b of I over. Then finally we are returning answer. Let's check then. Yeah, first test case is passed. Now I am going to submit the code. Hmm. Yes, all test cases are passed. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you in next video.